AI is getting crazier every day. And here's the wild part, nothing you see of me is real. This is a fully fake AI avatar, and there are tons like it out there. The best part, you can use them to make serious money through Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm about to break down exactly how I do it, so stick around. This could totally change how you approach affiliate marketing. Ready to learn the secret? Let's start by finding a trending product. The first step is finding popular Amazon products that are in high demand. Start by searching Amazon movers and shakers on Google and click the first link. This will take you to a page showing products that have skyrocketed in sales rank over the past 24 hours. It's a great tool for spotting trending items you can promote as an affiliate. On the left, you can explore different categories. For this example, I've picked the baby category. Check out this baby car mirror. It's trending with over 24,000 reviews. Once you've got your product, copy the URL. Now let's move on to how we use AI to turn this into a viral video. Now that we have our product URL, let me show you how effortlessly you can create professional viral videos using TopView AI. This tool is a game changer. All you need to do is upload your URL, and the AI will generate a complete video with a perfect script, voiceover, and even realistic AI avatars. Let me walk you through it. First, I've included the TopView AI tool in the description below. Just click on it, and it'll take you directly to TopView AI. Before we move on, let me show you something really cool. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see AI-generated avatars that look just like real humans. As an affiliate marketer, this is a powerful feature showing a face can build a personal brand and trust. When you promote valuable products with these realistic avatars, people are more likely to buy without hesitation. All right, now scroll back up and click sign in, then sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a page like this. Click create videos with AI and it will open the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see that the AI supports creating videos for a variety of platforms, including Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and others. Simply provide the product URL from any of these sites, and the AI will take care of the rest. For this video, let's focus on generating content for an Amazon product. In the link area, simply paste the Amazon product URL you copied earlier. For this example, I'm using the baby camera link. After that, just click Analyze Link. The AI will then start analyzing the URL. A pop-up window will appear showing videos and images that the AI has automatically selected based on your product URL. The best part is you don't need to search for product-related media. The AI finds the most relevant viral videos and photos for you. Pretty cool, right? You can choose which videos and photos you want to include in your final video. If there's any media you don't want, you can simply uncheck it, but I recommend keeping them all selected for the best results. Once you're satisfied, click continue. If you'd like to add different product images or videos, you can easily upload them here to include them in your video. The create a video about section is the product information based on the URL you provided, which the AI uses to focus the video on your specific product. Below that, you'll find the video brief. This is where the AI extracts key product information to be covered in the video. You can also add or edit points you'd like to include. All right, now we're getting to the most important part. Here, you can select the video aspect ratio that best suits your needs. For this video, let's go with the vertical format, which is 9:16, perfect for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. If you're looking to create a horizontal video for YouTube or other long-form content, you can easily switch to a 16:9 format. Next up, you'll want to choose a language. The AI supports over 20 languages, making it a great tool for creators targeting a global audience. For this video, I'm sticking with English. Now let's talk about voiceovers. You have access to over 100 different high-quality, realistic voices. This means you can add a professional touch to your videos without needing any recording equipment. You can even filter the voices by gender, age, style, and language. Let's sample a couple of voices. Here's a young female voice. Welcome to TopView AI.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
Welcome to TopView AI, the ultimate AI-powered video editing platform that revolutionizes the way you create compelling videos.
I'm going with this American female voice. Once you've made your choice, just click confirm. Moving on to avatars. You've got access to over 100 AI digital humans, each with different ethnicities, ages, and styles. These avatars look incredibly realistic and can really bring your video to life. If you prefer a video without an avatar, you can easily opt out by selecting the empty bar. But for this video, let's go with this girl avatar. Inside, there are 13 scenes to choose from, so you can generate different styles using the same AI for various videos. I'm going to pick this one. It has a nice casual vibe. Once you've made your selection, just click confirm and you're all set. Everything's done. Let's generate the video. Click on Generate. The AI gets ideas from 5 million popular TikTok and YouTube videos to create the perfect script for you using GPT-4. Okay, now you can see the AI has made 3 different scripts. Here's the first one, here's the second, and here's the third. Take a look at the script and choose the one that you think is best. Honestly, all three scripts are great, but personally, I prefer the first one. You can also make changes to the script as you wish. If the voice is set to auto, you can switch it to the voice you previously selected by clicking on it. Additionally, if you want to give your video a more professional touch, click on Edit to customize it however you like. If you click on the music icon, you'll find a variety of royalty-free background tracks. Choose the one that fits your video best, and you can even adjust the volume by setting the sound level to your preference. Now let's head back to the editing dashboard. By clicking the A icon, you can customize the subtitles, adjust the style, position, and height to match your video's vibe. Moving on, if you want to replace a clip you don't like, just click on this icon. For instance, I'll swap out this picture with a better video from the available options. Once you've made your choice, click Confirm. You can also click this icon to change the background fill mode. Select Cover, which ensures the video fits perfectly on the screen, giving it a more polished look. Finally, you can add transitions between scenes by clicking on the transition icon. When you're satisfied with all the edits, click Export. One last note, lip syncing will be perfected after exporting, so don't worry if it's slightly off in the preview. Export your video, and here's the final product. Take a look.
Hey y'all, let me share this amazing find. It's the baby car mirror, and it's a total game changer. This mirror goes right on your console, making life so much easier. I feel way safer driving without constantly looking back. Big win for us parents, am I right? Now here is the best part about this mirror. The night vision feature is lit and super clear. Seriously, setup is a breeze. No tricky assembly, just strap it on and plug it in, and you're good to go. Plus, you can adjust the angles as needed. Let's go. And did I mention it's so stable while driving? No shaking.
Did you notice how naturally the avatar moves and explains everything? Plus, the scenes switch every 3 to 4 seconds, which really keeps things engaging. If you're impressed by this AI, there's a free version available, but you can only export 2 videos with a watermark. Honestly, if you were to outsource this, you'd easily be looking at $200 or more for a single video. That's why I'd recommend upgrading to the starter plan for more features and flexibility. It's totally worth it. Now that we've got this video ready, let's move on to the next step. The fourth step is adding the product to your free store. First, head over to Kit Platform, where you can create a free store specifically for your Amazon affiliate products. Once you've created your Kit account, click the plus icon and select Create a New Kit. Give your store a catchy name like Best Amazon Products You Need in 2024. Below that, write a brief description, such as explore our top Amazon products for 2024. Find all your essentials in our store for the year ahead. After that, add at least 3 to 5 hashtags related to your store, like keywords to help your products get discovered. Then click Next. In the link area, paste your Amazon affiliate link. To get the link, go to your product on Amazon, click on text, copy the URL, and paste it here. Hit publish and your Kit store is now live. At this point, you can add a custom background image to make your store look more polished and professional. Now that the store is live, simply click share and copy the link to your Kit store. You'll use this link to promote your products in the final step. The last and most important step is generating traffic to your store. The best places to promote are YouTube Shorts and Pinterest, which are incredibly effective for driving traffic and leads. Well, that wraps it up. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next affiliate marketing hack. See you there.